My video guide is about getting rid of the pop-up notifications that are coming from the website that is called Etheaccou.space. Etheaccou.space. These pop-ups target Google, Chrome, Mozilla Firefox and other popular browsers. The website indicates that you need to tap the special Allow button, supposedly to continue your browsing. In reality, when people mistakenly agree with this proposal and click on the Allow button, this very moment their browser is hijacked and infected. People start getting forwarded to a lot of questionable websites in the internet, and eventually their system may be infected even more dramatically. So stay away from interacting with all these pop-ups and do not click on Allow. If the Allow button was clicked, you will start experiencing a lot of strange redirections to random websites. Plus, you will start facing a lot of advertisements that will be displayed primarily in the right bottom part of your computer screen. Now, if you have clicked on that Allow button, you definitely need to fix your browser immediately. For this purpose, go to the menu, go to Settings, scroll down to the special area called Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings, and in Permissions choose Notifications. Pay attention to the list of the websites that are allowed to send notifications and delete this malicious site that is causing the troubles for your computer. And finally, I recommend you to examine your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. And the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. After the program is downloaded and installed, start checking your system to make sure that it is free of any other infections like push notifications, like adware, browser hijackers, and other threats. After you successfully download and install the Combo Cleaner antivirus for fixing your Windows computer, you may select your preferred scan type. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so it only gives you quick scan option in the trial mode. Even though the premium version also gives you the full scan option and a custom scan. You may click on Start Scan button and the program will prepare to scanning your computer. It will start reporting certain issues that may be related to your browser, or it may detect more serious threats. You may experiment with the preferences of Combo Cleaner. For instance, Combo Cleaner Premium version works very well with its feature called anti-ransomware. It gives you the chance to add a special folder where you may store protected items, protected documentation. But this component is only the feature of the premium version. So then while the scanning is taking place, you will be able to observe what particular threats are detected. And then at the end of scan, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The premium version of Combo Cleaner gives you important features such as anti-malware, anti-ransomware, and web browsing protection. So with these three features being the part of the premium version, your computer will be fully protected. This includes protection against malware, viruses, ransomware, and suspicious pop-up ads, annoying redirections, and other troubles that people may experience with their browser. But once again, all these three features that are summarized as real-time protection are only the part of the premium version of the software. So, once the scanning is completed, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. You may remove all these threats with the premium version of the program or ask for a special trial key with the limited period of usage to completely enjoy and evaluate Combo Cleaner Premium version.